Welcome to Morocco Method, where natural things happen. We're going to do some basic hair cutting techniques. This will be how to trim your own beard. So you simply want to get a comb, wet your beard. You can just push the hair sideways and then down, and then scissors. So obviously just take the hair and twist it, hold it in your fingers and just cut underneath. There, just do it again. Just take the hair and twist it, hold it, snip. You can already see the difference. Take it again, just slowly going up the side, twist it, hold it, snip. Then coming the other direction, starting from the center, going right. Okay, slowly hold it, snip, continue going right, twist. There, a little bit more to the end, twist, and just hold it. And then just snip it right where your fingers are holding it. That's the bulk of it. But to get underneath, you just want to trim the sides. You just shape it in. Just keep shaping it. Nice. And then underneath. And then to the left. There. Nice and even. With a big difference, right? So you have the side of the beards and the mustache. I just comb it off to the left, and I wet the comb. So now the hair is wet, and I'm just snipping, coming up. See, nice and trim. So here we basically comb it, get it nice and wet. Yep, the wetter the better. And now we're going to just follow the contour up, up, up. There, nice and smooth. Trimming it over on the side. Then a little bit underneath again. Under. Smoothing it out. Snipping. There. How does that look? Now it's nice and shaped. And then for the mustache, we can also brush it up. So there. You can see the hair is brushing up. Up. Yeah. So the more brush up, the better. And you just follow the contour again. See? Smoothed out. And the same thing to the other side. Brushing it up, combing it up. You can even hold it with the comb. Snip. Brush up, hold it with the comb. Well, you don't have to hold it with the comb, but it's more secure that way. There. So there's the mustache. There's the beard. Nice and shaped.